Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. So we just finished up the rear axle for now. I have some suspension parts on order, so when those get here we can attach it to the leaf springs and get that finished up. But for now we're going to get started on the flatbed for this. So for the base I have some 4-inch C-channel that we're going to use for the frame, and then the outside will be a 2x4 steel tubing. So let's get started. We're skipping ahead to building the mounts for the bed. For me, there's a lot of standing around and looking at the project in the very beginning, so I just started recording here once I actually had a plan. So now I'm working on the winch mount here. This winch plate here actually came with the winch, so I'm just gonna go ahead and reuse it. And then we have some 4-inch C-channel here. And then once we get this mounted and the winch mounted, I think I'm gonna put a spot for these hooks here. And these are off of a Ford Expedition. All right, so here's how the winch mount is looking. So I like how it's looking so far. So it's just all tacked in, except for this one row here. So this is 1/4 inch here, and then with the 4-inch C-channel underneath. So I went ahead and threaded that since it's thick enough. And so yeah, that'll be what's on the 2 toe points. So it looks kind of tall now, but the level of the floor will be here. So I think it's gonna look good. All right, so now we have the winch mount pretty much welded up as much as I can until I slide this bed back. Now we're gonna start working on the angle iron to fill in the bed. So here's where we're at now, working on all of these supports. So I've been trying to decide this whole time whether I wanted to do wood on the bed or metal, but I think we've decided I'm gonna do some aluminum sheet on here. So we had to adjust the height of these things so the aluminum will be at the level of this bar here on the outside. So we're almost done. Gonna try and get it painted today. There will be a lot more features I'm gonna add in the future, but for now I need to try and get it painted. This is my daily driver, so it's been hard having it, not being able to use it. So to finish it enough to paint, I need to finish the supports back here in this area. Up here is where the spare tire is gonna be. So that's about done for now. And then there's a few more supports in the corner over there. And like I said, just finishing up this back part. then we can paint it for now. So that's it for today. There will definitely be a part 2 video coming up for the bed where we build a hoop behind the cab. But the next video, we're going to work on building the bumper for this truck. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.